Retractable transom straps by Rhino USA, an absolute must-have upgrade for your boat. Self-stowing, going to allow you to get your boat launched and on the water fast. Easy one-hand operation to allow you to quickly secure your load once you're done. These are available in both stainless and in black. They have heavy half-inch rubber-coated hooks, spring clip, polymer case to help prevent marring or scratching your trailer. They're rated at 3,000 pounds, and like all of Rhino's products, come with a full lifetime warranty. This is the last transom strap you'll ever need. If you'd like to take a look at it, click that little banner and grab yours. Once you get these bolted down, strapped up, and secure, there's no doubt about it, you will be pleased. Thanks for watching.